invite the Leader of Majority, Honorable Kimani Ichungwa, who will recognize the leaders.
The First Lady, Excellency Deputy President, our Prime Cabinet Secretary, all protocols observed, Mama Eileen and your family, and the larger Ogolla family, friends and relatives, good afternoon. Let me say, from what Joel has said, Joel, thank you, because as you have said, all of us here had a very personal relationship with our good friend and late General Ogolla. And seeing you and your family today, you give us strength. And indeed, as you have said, knowing that in his faith and what he believed in, he's resting in a better place. And we take this opportunity to say Paula to you, Mama Eileen and your family. And we continue to pray for you that may the Lord Almighty rest General's soul in eternal peace. Mine, Your Excellency, was just to introduce the members of Parliament who are here. And I will just kindly request you to be upstanding just for introductions. The first one is Honorable Samuel Atandi, the member for Alego Songa. Next is Mheshimiwa Koyo, the member for Muhoroni in Kisumu County. Mheshimiwa Beatrice Elachi. I'm not sure whether this is your constituency or Westlands. This is Dagoretti North. Beatrice Elachi, the member of Parliament for Dagoretti North. I also see our governor for Siaya, Governor James Orengo, who also happens to be the governor for General here. Your Excellency, let me just say I got to interact with the General for the first time about 2 years ago during the KDF Day in Laikipia, about 2 years ago. And just after the official function, as we were having lunch, I happened to sit with him. And he shared with me some of the stories I've had our Defense Secretary and Joel share, right from the time he was in school in the US, training as a fighter pilot. And he came to me, across to me as a person who was not only a believer, but a very fine gentleman who was also very professional. And that is the General we know. And may his memories live forever in all of us. As Joel has said, we all shared, and we share different memories of him. It is God who has done his wish as he thought best. And may we live to accept that and allow him to rest in peace. With those many of your remarks, allow me to now invite His Excellency, the Deputy President, to give his remarks. Thank you.